Hey there, data enthusiasts and fact fanatics. On today's video, we will be looking at the most used programming languages according to GitHub. If you enjoy, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Here are some curious facts about programming languages. The first programming language was Fortran, developed in the 1950s by IBM for scientific and engineering calculations. The programming language Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. JavaScript, despite its name, has no relation to the Java programming language. It was originally called LiveScript, but was renamed to ride the popularity wave of Java in the mid-1990s. The programming language Go was created at Google in 2007 by Robert Griesemer, Pike, and Ken Thompson. It was designed to address the shortcomings of other languages and improve productivity. PHP, initially standing for Personal Home Page, was created by Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994 as a simple scripting language. It later evolved into PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. Facebook was originally developed in PHP and still uses it today for web content management. The programming language C is widely regarded as the most influential programming language ever created. It has influenced the development of many other languages, including C++, Java, and C#. Ada, a programming language developed in the late 1970s, was named after Ada Lovelace, a mathematician considered to be the world's first computer programmer. The programming language Lisp, developed in the late 1950s, is known for its unique syntax based on parenthesized expressions. It is widely used in artificial intelligence research. JavaScript was initially developed in just 10 days by Brendan Eich in 1995 for the Netscape Navigator web browser. We're closing in, and without surprise, the most used programming language till the end of 2021 is JavaScript. If you enjoy, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.